If you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrency, forex, stocks, and much more, be sure to check out TrendSpider. Link is in the description and the comment section. TrendSpider uses automated technical analysis algorithms to perfect your trades. Once again, link is in the description. This is not financial advice and invest at your own risk. Hello everybody, it is the Naughty Investor here, coming at you with another video. If you enjoy cryptocurrency related content, be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a like on the video. That way the YouTube algorithm notifies you whenever I upload new videos, and you're updated with all the latest and greatest cryptocurrency news. So in today's video, we have a few different topics to talk about. We're going to talk about Ripple unlocking about 1 billion XRP from escrow. We're going to talk about the new formation of a rating system. We're going to do some technical analysis on XRP, and then we're going to do a market wrap up, and then we will be done with the video. So let's get started with the escrow thing. So it's the beginning of October. It's officially October 1st, and Ripple has unlocked about 1 billion XRP from its escrow. At the time of writing, it's worth about 256 million US dollars. This was reported on a Whale Alert, and no one should be surprised by this. Like I've said multiple times in the past, Ripple needs money to operate, right? Ripple needs to be able to give grants. They need to be able to sell some XRP. They need to be able to do things that, even though they might, be painful in the short term, are going to be much better long term, right? We talked just yesterday, guys. I'll link the video down below. I was talking about Ripple acquiring another company. A couple days before that, we talked about Ripple acquiring another company. We talked about these partnerships. Ripple can't do that if they don't have any money. Where do they get money? They have to sell XRP, because even though it might in the short term be a little bit painful, in the long term, that is what will, that's the only thing that they can do to make significant sums of money, so they can continue growing this beautiful ecosystem around XRP. They can keep building partnerships, building new products, right? We talked about in my last video or a couple videos ago about they're expanding into DeFi products, decentralized finance products. There's a lot going on here, and it's very, very short-sighted to look at this and say this is horrible, because you have to think long-term. Now, I'm not saying that I agree with everything Ripple does. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that at all, really. All I'm saying is a lot of what they do, I do agree with, because you have to look at the long term. You have to think logically about this. You have to think about this from a business standpoint, right? Ripple doesn't care what the price of XRP is 3 months from now. They don't care what the price of XRP is probably 6 months from now, right? Ripple's looking long term down the line. They're looking probably 3, 4, 5 years. That's when they really want to have XRP's ecosystem, really dominating the financial markets, the global financial markets of the world. So I'm not going to spend too much time on this. I just wanted to cover it. So if you hear any FUD out there of people complaining about the 1 billion XRP being unlocked from Ripple's escrow, again, I'm not saying I agree with Ripple on everything. I'm not saying I agree with the amount they're selling. I'm not saying I agree with everything. I'm not. I'm a very neutral person, right? But I am saying that this money that they make from unlocking XRP, from giving grants in XRP, from selling XRP, this money that they make from doing that, a lot of it is being reinvested back into the ecosystem. Alright guys, I wanted to talk about this. So cryptocurrency exchanges, including Coinbase, are uniting to create a rating system for digital tokens. The points-based rating system determines whether a digital asset falls under U.S. securities law using guidance from the SEC. It was established by the Crypto Rating Council, whose founding members include Coinbase, Kraken, Circle, Bittrex, and Grayscale. Bitcoin and Litecoin are least likely to fall under securities laws, but this is why I wanted to cover this article right here, because this is some FUD right here. According to the framework, XRP is more akin to a security. Now, what they're saying here is they're not saying XRP is a security. They're not saying that at all. What they are saying is they think it's more akin to a security, but even that I disagree with, because I've done so many videos on this, guys. I've beaten the dead horse till it's died twice, okay? And XRP is not a security. And I understand why they're saying it's more akin to a security, because they're trying to compare it to Bitcoin and Litecoin. I think they're just doing this to make Bitcoin and Litecoin look good. But what I think needs to happen is I think Brad Garlinghouse needs to sit down with Brian Armstrong. That's this fellow right here. He is the co-founder of Coinbase. I think Brad Garlinghouse needs to sit down with Brian Armstrong and really talk about why XRP is not a security. I think Brad Garlinghouse needs to go a little bit more on the offensive and really just come out swinging and say, hey, this is not a security. XRP is not a security. Here is why. He's going to have a possible opportunity to do that on the Off the Chain podcast with Anthony Pomp. I'm not sure if he's going to go on it, but he has a chance to. And I think if he goes on that, he could explain some things. Maybe he does a meeting with this, rating system council, crypto rating council, and he talks to some leaders there about, why XRP is not security. I think we need to educate these people because a lot of them are just looking at XRP and saying, it's not a security, but it's the closest thing to one. And I completely disagree with that. I think XRP is not a security. It does not give you a piece of ownership in Ripple, and therefore it's not a security, right? And not much else to say about that. I just thought I'd cover it because I think you guys should, know about these rating councils that are coming out, and I don't want any FUD to be spread about, well, they said XRP is a security. It's not what they're saying. They're saying it's more akin to a security, and even that I disagree with. So that's your news for the exchanges today. Next up, we have the technicals for XRP today. We're still in this price channel, guys, right over here. We're still in this, and we're between about 28 cents and about 22 cents. We're still, in between over here. And the main thing that I wanted to talk about is the vortex indicator. That's the one thing I have a concern over. You can see the sharp uptick in the vortex indicator right over here with this purple line. That indicates bearishness. At the same time, the blue line did uptick a little bit as well. So, I mean, you're kind of going to mix signals, but not as much as the purple line. That this is the only indicator that is seeming, bearish at the moment, and that is the vortex indicator. RSI looks steady. RSI is not into overselling, not into overbuying, it's just holding steady. Again, we're still under the 100-day moving average. Like I said, once we break out of this price channel, guys, the next key point we have to break is the 100-day moving average. And once we break that, we could really see a ton of money come into XRP, because that's going to signal to other investors, hey, it's time to get in this, FOMO time. Of course, if you are a smart investor, you've been buying XRP in the lows, been buying it under 25 cents, under 30 cents. And if you've been doing that, I think you're going to make out pretty good. Definitely long term, but at the very least, I also think there's a good chance you can make out very well in the short term as well. But yeah, so technicals, not too much to say about today. Just watch this uptick in the vortex indicator. Keep your eye on that. Something that I'm not saying you should be concerned about, but just, again, keep your eye on it. Just watch it and, watch this FUD, because there's been a lot of FUD that's been spreading around lately that people in the crypto media outlets have been spreading and pushing. So watch that and try and combat that if you can. If there's a comment section and you see something that's wrong, go and combat that if you can, and just kind of, give your thoughts on it, right? Lastly, we have the markets today. Overall, markets were kind of sideways on the day. Bitcoin up about 1%, Ethereum up about 0.5%, XRP down about 1%. Bitcoin Cash down, Litecoin down, up about 1%, EOS up about 0.5%, Binance Coin up about 1.50%, Stellar's down about 2%, Cardano's down, 0.2%, Monero's up about 1%. Most of your major coins are either up a little bit or down a little bit. Biggest gainer on the day is Cryptarium, up about 18%, and the biggest loser today is Lambda Coin, down about 13%, followed by Energy, down about 11%, followed by Bitcoin Diamond, down about 7%. Total market cap is at $222 billion US, and Bitcoin dominance is at 67.7%. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, share it. Also, if you want to get this trading software right here, I have a link in the description and the comment section. Check it out. It's TrendSpider. Check out my links down below, description and the comment section. Grab yourself a package. It's a very affordable software if you're ready to start trading cryptocurrencies, as well as stocks, bonds, anything on here, they have it, and it's a very good trading software. Check it out. Link is in the description. I'll catch you guys next time, and as always, have a great day. If you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrency, forex, stocks, and much more, be sure to check out TrendSpider. Link is in the description and the comment section. TrendSpider uses automated technical analysis algorithms to perfect your trades. Once again, link is in the description. This is not financial advice, and invest at your own risk.